That's why I haven't any hard time, to run the store, because thanks to the guys, they give really good customer service, and people mostly they like it's all about the customer service, because I would say parts, repairs, everybody can do the same. There is no hard thing. Parts, everybody order from the same place, and being a technician is not hard too. You can learn it too, but the main thing is all about customer service.
So as you mentioned, you took over the store from someone else who was selling it, and the Techy brand and the company and the previous employers were all taking very good care of the store from service,
Yes,
right? Okay.
yes, I 100%.
Okay. So it was pretty easy to sort of plug in and take over from the store because you knew what you were doing, and Techie had already made everything set up to you can just hit the ground running.
It's a grand, yeah, exactly. Just continue.
Okay. So it's good to know that you've been a year in the game and you're still hoping to, continue open more stores.